It will. It will. It could be up. Hey guys, CBB here. So earlier this morning, I got the new diesel for me. It's the running one gp38, number 3625 from the from the classic William electric train box. Yeah, I just found it and then I got it. Well, let's take a look at it. Yeah, this thing had two light bulbs. One in the front, the cam. Even it also have in the back. And I go with it. I got the lionel. Lionel 36502 lighted riding on caboose. Go to the gp38. Right here. They have a good motor with two DC cameras and a horn operated on 027 track. There's an 031 curve right here. They dropped my cars over here so they can be put away. So how they like to go. Yeah, that'd be pretty good. Why I do it? It'd be pretty good. Yeah, I had to refer to you on that. kind of like the pool. So it have a red and white on it. That's a pretty good gp38. Even have the little F down here. F. Have the little logo. That one handrail and step, they were painted in green with yellow. Even had a number on the back. Very good yellow. To tell you, there's not the William Bachman, the classic Williams electric train. See, it made in 1996. Well, I can show you my gp38. To start getting more of it. Then the car will get derailed on my own. So you can review it. So I can see you all the next video, and then get the comment, subscribe, and the font up in it of it. So I can see you next time.